Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In previous video, we gone through some basic information of Python language. We covered basic topics of Python like what is Python, why to use it, and who can learn the Python. Just basic information, not very much, but for a theoretical point of view, we just covered those information. Now in this video, we're gonna install Python language in Windows machine. You might be thinking the Python itself is a very small software or it's a generic software that can easily install in Windows machine. Why we need to go and see this video? Why I'm telling you? Because there are some key points that we need to keep in mind while installing the software in Windows machine, or it could be any operating system. Either it could be MacBook or it could be a Linux operating system. I'll not keep this video very lengthy. It will be just within 2 to 3 minutes and we can finish all those installation process, and then we are good to go to practice Python code on Windows machine. Let's go to the desktop and see how we can install the Python software in our Windows machine. Okay. Here we are ready to install Python software in our Windows machine. What you have to do is you can just Google it, Python download, and the very first URL you will get python.org. So just click on download Python, and here you will get download Python 3.12.2 version. So this is the latest version from the Python side. We can download the latest version in our machine, and then we can run this software in our machine. So basically what you have to do is just click on the download button and it will start downloading the software. Now browse your software. Double click on the file. Okay, here is the catch. Make sure you select this option, add python.exe to the path, and then now you can click on the option install now. It will ask you the option yes or no to install the software. It will take a while to install the software in your machine. I'll pause the screen, and once it's done I'll tell you. So I have successfully downloaded and installed the Python in my Windows machine. Now we can close the screen. So I'll see you in the next class, and we'll see how we can start our journey towards to the Python programming. Till then, take care. Bye bye.